Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money from your Coinbase account. And for this, it's quite simple because we go to see all and then click here on cash. And then from now we can click here on withdrawal. Right now there is no money available, but let's say we want to withdraw money. We click here on 10. Then we click here on preview, but they are also telling us that we need to add a payment method. So make sure that you do this on the first place. So let's select here a Euro bank, and then from here we can create, or let's say apply a bank account. And then once we created this bank account and confirm our bank account, we can just withdraw money on this place right here. So make sure that you add your payment method, and then after that you can withdraw money from this account to the payment method that you added. So this is how you can withdraw money on Coinbase. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.